the new dog hut that we got so that when we go riding our e-bikes that we got, we can take the dogs with us. I was going to show you how comfortably they fit. 2 Frenchies. No, she's not going to show her face. She's going to be shy. But anyway, they fit in there, and then this zips closed. They fit so comfortably in there. I love this. And then if we want to stop and take them, push them, we can use it as a stroller. And then there's a bar that we don't have hooked up yet. But anyway, the bar will hook up right here, and then it hooks onto the back of your bike so that you can pull them. Can't wait to hit the trails with them. They're going to have so much fun because they love to go everywhere with us. This is how they can get out. Come on, Dex. Jasmine, come on. Come on. Come on, Jazz. Love it. And they're happy dogs.
Here we go. Here's the doggy hut. There's the piece of foam that I had to cut to size. It's one of their toys back there. But it makes it high enough that they can see through the side windows. And whereas it's pretty large, but we have 4 cats. So I highly recommend it. It's actually really nice. It's also got it zips closed. And it's got this nice little plastic, a couple times it's sprinkled. That's really a nice thing. Nice little pouches on the back to carry our water.
Toll. Es ist doch wärmer als gedacht. Und was passiert? Auf dem Weg lassen sich beide kutschieren. Und hier bin die Königin der Welt. Natürlich. Ich mache die Galionsfigur. Oh, die ist süß.